If you want to use the Expert Advisor that is built in this video, just download it by clicking on the link below and use it for your own AI codebase.
In this video, we are going to create an Expert Advisor that uses a simple moving average to generate buy and sell signals. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon in Metatrader or by pressing F4 on our keyboard. This opens the Metaeditor where we can create our new Expert Advisor. The OnTick function is the main function that runs every time a new tick arrives on the chart. Inside this function, we first create a string variable called signal and initialize it with an empty string. This variable will store whether we should buy or sell based on our moving average calculation. Next, we calculate the moving average for the last 20 candles using the IMA function. The parameters for this function are _symbol, which uses the current chart symbol, _period, which uses the current chart time frame, 20 for the period length, 0 for the shift value, which means we want the current value, mode SMA to use simple moving average calculation, price close to use the closing prices of the candles, and 0 for the shift parameter, which gives us the value for the current candle. After calculating the moving average, we check if this moving average value is below the current closing price. We access the current closing price using close with index 0. If the moving average is indeed below the current price, we set our signal variable to the string buy. Similarly, we check if the moving average is above the current closing price. If this condition is true, we set our signal variable to the string sell. Now we implement the actual trading logic for buy positions. We check if our signal equals buy and if there are currently no open orders by checking if orders total returns 0. If both conditions are met, we use order send to open a buy position. The parameters for order send are _symbol for the trading symbol, buy to specify a buy order, 0.10 for the lot size, which represents 10 microlots, ask for the entry price, which is the current ask price, 3 for the slippage in points, 0 for the stop loss since we are not using 1. Ask plus 150 multiplied by _point for the take profit, which places the take profit 150 points above the entry price, null for the comment, 0 for the magic number, 0 for the expiration time, and green for the arrow color that will appear on the chart. Next, we implement the trading logic for sell positions. We check if our signal equals sell and again verify there are no open orders. When both conditions are true, we use order send to open a sell position. The parameters are _symbol for the trading symbol, sell for a sell order, 0. 10 for 10 microlots, bid for the entry price at the current bid price, 3 for slippage, 0 for stop loss, bid minus 150 multiplied by _point for the take profit, which places it 150 points below the entry price, null for comment, 0 for magic number, 0 for expiration, and red for the arrow color. Finally, we use the comment function to display the current signal on the chart. This shows the current signal is followed by whatever value is stored in our signal variable, whether it is buy, sell, or empty. After writing all this code, we press F7 to compile the Expert Advisor. If there are no errors, the compilation will complete successfully. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you might want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first to get a better understanding of MQL programming. Now we go back to Metatrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metatrader, we press Ctrl and are to start the strategy tester. We pick the Expert Advisor that we have just created from the list, enable the visual mode by checking the appropriate box, and start a strategy test by clicking the Start button. Then we should see the Expert Advisor running on the chart, showing the current signal and placing trades when the conditions are met. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email with your suggestions. In this video, we have learned how to create an Expert Advisor that uses a simple moving average crossover strategy to generate trading signals. You have now coded an Expert Advisor yourself with just a few lines of MQL code that can automatically trade based on moving average signals. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.